next session. This is a session of the save the student, get all the student find by ID, verify by email, remove the student. So the first one is save a student. Let's build that. So it's a tau class. Let's write this something. Let double public student. Got it. Save the student student and student is equal to student and RETU return from the student repository from the repository class. Student repository dot save from the repository. Here we have to mention the student. And the next one is get all the student. So for that PUP public list from the util package and a student student get all STUD and student is equal to return student repository dot find out which is already present in repository class repository interface find all and the next one is student to find by ID. Okay. For that public optional ADMIN admin not admin STUDN student in ID return into repository dot find by ID. See, this is already present here. So just write it, make it as a ID. Verify by email and password. Okay. To verify the email and password, we need to write the query here. So that query is plus O. So this is from the util class. Select as the query is like select as from a student as where as dot email is equal to email and as dot password is equal to password. And it should also be the optional class. It is present in the util package. A student to verify by email and password. String email, string password. Okay. So what do we do? Just copy this. PUBLIC public control P and return it. Return Get repository dot verify by email and password. For the remove assistant, we need two things. First check it and then write it. So for the remove, we need a one method that is a public boolean represented by ID. Right? From the student receive product. Sorry, what is here? Find by ID. Okay. So we have find by ID. So we have student repository. Student repository dot delete receive product dot get method. So part we have creating the boolean type of method public boolean delete student by ID int ID optional student receive product is equal to find by ID means it will be getting the ID from the here. In this method we will get the ID and check it if it's present. What we have to do, we have to delete it receive dot get it. Okay, return true else false. After this we have to move to the service logic for this. Okay, so let's complete the the first one is service logic. So public response structure, sorry, response entity, response structure, and student student. Okay, control B, save student is equal to student. Okay, to save it, response structure, student student, the structure is equal to new response structure, and what we need to do, we have to save it. So for that, okay, video is on now, guys. Yeah, it's on. So structure the RE structure dot set message. The message should be a STUD student saved successfully as a reset SUC success review successfully, and then the structure dot set the data from the uh, student DAO dot save student. Then structure dot create the code HTTP goes code for that said. So status code will be HTTP status dot created. Means when we are saving, means it's a created dot value. So we will get the response as well, and return new structure structure, structure, HTTP status, HTTP status dot created, CR. Then go back to the and then go to the controller package. Copy the first line. Will be RET return the student service STUDENT student service dot save student. So it will be getting from here. So it will be auto white connected. We don't need to create every time object. And at the rate for the save we have a post mapping and a value should be and it should be a what request body, yeah, sorry, keywords request body. Yeah, so one method is completed and let's check it. Them save it. Run it. Yeah. Let's go to the Postman. So what we needed here should be a post and the link should be a so the link is save as student, right? So control V and go to the Postman and control V. Okay. So here we have a 1 second. And yes, and go to the body, select row and select JSON and then do this MDNS name, email anfns@gmail.com, course Java program element, password 123, enrollment date is 2025, and the mobile number is also there, no? Yeah, mobile number 7581867020. Let me check once. Uh, Date control C. Oh, sorry guys, we don't mention that password here. Okay, that's why we'll get this error. So ERI private string password zero dash automatic password the column equal to label is equal to false FRS equals, and also we have to back to the here and delete this, again run it let's run it again. Sorry, we have to create the constructor as well. Then create the delete the headers and footers. Yeah, save it and run it. Okay, you get it. Go to the Postman. Now, it is in Java programming. Course mobile number, email, recommended, and send the request. Okay, so it done successfully, and one more is needed, and the CRUD, FFAD CRUD, six, Java programming, 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 5. Send it. Okay, so added to is also set. So this one is also working fine. Next video. Okay then guys, save is working fine. Next video we'll learn more things. Next video we'll implement the get all student find by ID, verify by email and password, remove a student. Thank you guys. Before you go, you have to subscribe. Please subscribe my channel to get a more video like this.